Jaime, how'd you get this client?
So this is one of my weekly clients. I usually come every Saturday, but for the case of the video, I had it today. So on Saturday, I'm already pretty much booked.
And what's your best method of getting clients?
My best method is usually by Instagram. Just keep promoting, keep posting stories, post on Instagram, and even business cards. When I first started, I just kept passing out business cards to people that come, or when I'm watching the car, they also pass by and they ask me for them.
Yeah, we just saw you. What did they ask that car?
They asked me to remove a couple stains on the car and how much I charge for just a maintenance wash. So I mean, I told them, I was like, I gave them a business card. If you guys want to call me, text me, send us some pictures and get to it.
So how often does that happen where you're detailing a car and then people drive by and they're like, hey, let me get your business card?
Usually that happens every time I'm washing cars, man. They always just come over to me and they're always asking me questions, you know. But at the same time, like I said, time is money. So I tell them, like, send me a picture if you want to call me or whatever. But like right now, I'm detailing a car, so I try to make it as quick as possible.
Yeah. Do you think people underestimate you because of your age?
In this case, this client doesn't know my age yet, so like I said, we just keep working, and if they don't ask, we don't tell them.
Got it. So what's the game plan for this vehicle?
The game plan for this Lexus, it will be just a maintenance wash, and we'll do a couple interior little details that it needs, and that'll be it.
Got it.
It should be quick.
You got any help today?
Yeah, we got one of my helpers. Yeah, so we're gonna hopefully knock it down pretty quick today.
So who's gonna do what? Like the interior, exterior, who's doing what?
Right, so we're gonna work on the interior at the same time. So he'll be doing the vacuuming while I'll be doing the wipe down. So we can finish the whole interior in one shot. After, we're gonna go to the exterior and we're gonna wash it, foam it, and we're gonna do everything together.
Got it. And how long should this take?
Usually with the helper, it could take up to 45 to an hour. Yeah.
Cool, cool. You want to introduce your helper?
Yeah, it's Juan Rico.
Got it. All right. So Jaime, where did you learn how to detail so good?
So like already said, I learned on YouTube University, or I even learned from my mistakes, you know. In my personal cars, I use the techniques that I see on YouTube, and if that works out, then I use it on my clients' cars. Like I said, it's always better to try it on your cars first. So let's say you mess up something, it's on your car, you know, compared to when it's on your client's car, you might need to pay for it, and if you don't have insurance, and, you know, make it worse.
So like trial and error?
Right,
And then watching videos on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
What was one of the biggest mistakes you made when you were still learning?
One of the biggest mistakes when I was still learning, like how I said, I just really learned from my mistakes. I just kept going on YouTube and seeing what I could do, finding the easiest way, interacting with people. Other detailers also helped me, you know, like they always call me, give me tips and tricks. Detailing stores also helped me, like what's the easiest way to maintenance the car.
Jaime, when you first started detailing, how long did it take you to detail one car?
When I first started, it took me like around, let's say like 2 hours, because I took forever. Yeah, I always wanted to be in detail, you know, and I was, like I said, I was charging way too cheap. I was charging like $25, and I'll do way too much, which is that's a really bad habit, because then, like I said, now I charge like for what the customer pays for. If they tell me that they want an interior clean, I'll do the interior clean. I won't go the extra mile.
And your time to detail the car went down as you...
Yeah, right. Since I limited the stuff I did with the price, yeah, the time did go down.
Yeah, and when you first started, did you have any help?
When I first started, my dad, you know, he would always be out there getting out of me. So yeah, me and him would just finish the cars quick. But I mean, like I said, like I would always go too far, you know, and then I wouldn't charge too much.
Hey, Jaime, so how long did it take you to perfect your technique?
It took me about, like I said, it took me almost my whole detailing, my whole 1 year, you know. I'm still getting better, I'm still learning as I go, but I mean, I'm pretty much, you know, dialed in, and I pretty much know the basics of all detailing, you know. So yeah.
So you think starting early helped you perfect it sooner or longer, or?
Oh yeah, starting early helps me stand. It helped me a lot, man, because now I know when I'm 18 or when I'm 19, I'm gonna be right on.
So how's the detail going?
The details are going pretty good. We finished the inside pretty quickly, and then now we're on the exterior. So the exterior is already foamed, and we already scrubbed it as well. So now, yeah, we're pretty much almost done. We just got to rinse and dry.
Rinse and dry? Hey, so do you always carry these cones with you?
Yes, I always carry them wherever I go, because you never know when you're gonna get yourself into like a little pinch where you're on a main street, or you know, for safety reasons. And also it also causes a lot of attention. You know, when people are driving by, they also look like, oh, they're nice and bright. They have my logos on them and everything too. So
have they ever like prevented like maybe someone hitting you or something, or?
I'm pretty sure in a lot of cases, because I do work in the main street sometimes, so I do put them where, you know, the cars are passing by pretty quickly, so I put them in a way where they can't hit me. So yeah, I'm pretty sure they have saved me from a couple little incidents.
Yeah. So who recommended you to get the cones? Was it like...
just like research, man. I've always tried to do research to see what's better for my business, and like I said, I just seen someone else do it, and just gotta work what's best for you.
Are you using like that spotless water, or?
Yeah, I do use spotless water. I have a 100-gallon water tank in the back of my trailer, and it helps you wash the car. You know, it doesn't leave stains on the car. Like for example, when you're washing a car in the sun, it doesn't stain it. And when you're alone, you take more time to dry the car. So like I said, it keeps you from doing the work better.
And is this car like? Does it have any kind of coatings or?
No, in this case, this car doesn't have a coating, but sometimes we usually just put like a wax or so, you know, since it's a weekly client.
Yeah.
We try to maintain it at a good paint, you know.
Got it. Hey, Hammond, so what's the next thing you want to do to try to get more business?
I would say doing Google ads or doing ads on Instagram, and let's say doing a business website, and hopefully I get more clients like that.
Have you ever ran an Instagram ad or Facebook ad or anything like that?
I haven't actually, so hopefully soon I will bring one up. Yes, real soon.
Got it. And has the customer ever tried to do you dirty, maybe not pay the full price or get more for what they paid for?
When I did start, yeah, people didn't want to pay the full price. For example, when I did hire my prices, people were like kind of undecisive about paying me the price that I was asking for. But like I said, I found new clients, and with the new clients, they like my service and they like my details, so that's all that matters.
So when they did try to do you dirty, how did you react to that?
I mean, like I said, I reacted kind of like, whoa, but like at the same time, you can't really do much about it other than, you know, switch clients and get a better clientele. Because at the end of the day, business is business, and you just got to keep going, you know. You can't let somebody, you know, just not pay you.
Yeah, so for this customer, what would you recommend for their next detail?
I would recommend putting all their stuff in the back of the trunk, because like I said, it's time consuming us doing that, and like time is money, man. That's one of the biggest things in my business. Time is money, so if we waste more time here, it's less business for us. So like I said, we're doing less time, then we have more cars to do and more time for ourselves, you know.
Does it happen often? Does that happen often where customers leave like a lot of stuff in their back seats and stuff?
No, it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen often, but when it does happen, I do tell them like next time I will charge you know, for the next one. But no, it doesn't usually happen too much. When I made the first video, they were like, "Hey, bro, any tips or something?"
And what'd you tell them?
Yeah, I spoke on the phone with a few of them.
And what kind of, like, they're just asking you how to start their business or what?
How to start, and let's say for example, how to start, tips, chemicals. Yeah.
And that was all off of that first YouTube video or what?
Yeah, it was all off the first YouTube video.
And were they from nearby or like other parts?
They're actually pretty far.
But like, in California or no?
No, they're not even in California. Yeah, those people are not in California. They want to speak on the phone, and I was like, yeah, let's do it. You know, if I could help them grow, you know, I'm gonna help them grow. I need advice, I'm gonna help them. Cause I remember me being there, you know. So there you guys have it. That's how I do a maintenance wash on this Lexus. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. And if you want to follow me on my journey, follow me at Jimenez_mobile_detailing. We'll see you in the next video.